The Onitsuka Tiger Mexico 66 SD is a blend of classic style and modern updates. This refreshed version of the iconic Mexico 66 maintains its timeless look while integrating new technology for improved comfort. In this unboxing and on-fit video, we will take a closer look at the BIRCH with METROPOLIS colorway and share my thoughts about the shoe. Crafted from premium birch leather, its clean neutral hue adds a touch of sophistication, perfect for various occasions. The toe box offers both comfort and durability. The front toe cap is reinforced with a sturdy design, providing added protection and structure while maintaining a stylish look. The mid panel showcases the iconic Onitsuka tiger stripes in a classic METROPOLIS shape, paying homage to the brand's heritage. At the top of the heel, the Mexico 66 SD features a distinct flat design with a discreet Onitsuka Tiger logo embossment, subtly enhancing the shoe's visual appeal. The durable rubber outsole with a waffle pattern provides excellent traction on various surfaces. The shoe has a removable auto-light insole, providing a springy feel and softer ground impact, which complements the cushioning provided by the Ampliform material in the heel wedge. In terms of sizing, the Mexico 66 SD fits true to size and offers a comfortable fit. However, it's always best to try on a pair of shoes before purchasing to ensure the best fit. On feet, the Mexico 66 SD offers a perfect blend of style and comfort. The insole provides great cushioning, which is surprisingly comfortable. A couple of minor complaints would be that the thin laces can be somewhat challenging to keep in place, often coming loose during wear. Additionally, the heel flap tends to be easily pushed inwards by my heel when I'm wearing it. Despite these issues, the Mexico 66 SD remains a standout choice for its blend of style and comfort. Its slim profile and sleek silhouette makes it a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Thanks for staying to the end, and consider subscribing to support the channel. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to check out this playlist for more sneaker and footwear reviews.